What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are ever looked at your phone and thought, man, I wish my virtual assistant actually understood me better, then today is the day your wish comes true. In today's video, we are going to unlock the secrets of creating a super cool chatbot using Python, NLTK, SpaCy and Flask or Django. If you are feeling extra adventurous. Now, I know what you are thinking. A chatbot? Isn't that just something you find on websites asking if you need help? Well, yes. But in our case, we are going way beyond can I help you with something? Today, we are building a chatbot that will actually respond like its good personality with a touch of sass and a lot of smart answers. But wait, there's more. We are not just slapping some basic code together. No. My friend, we are be using NLTK and SpaCy for all that natural language processing magic because we like to sound fancy. We are putting it all in Flask or Django to make sure your bot doesn't just live in the code but actually talks to the world. Sounds like a lot, right? Don't worry, whether you are coding rookie or a Python pro, I have got you covered it step by step. By the end of this video, you have your own chatbot ready to chat, make jokes and maybe even tell you where the nearest coffee shop is. Because let's be honest, that's the real goal here. So grab your coffee, stretch those fingers and let's get started on building the chatbot of your dreams or nightmares if it starts making dad jokes. So let's move computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. So let's create our chatbot, and to create a chatbot, first of all, let me open my Visual Studio Code. And if you don't download the Visual Studio Code and all that things, so let me tell you how to download that all the things. First of all, we download all the things and we set up our environment. So let's set up our environment setup. So let's start. First of all, we install our text editor because even if you are building anything, you have one text editor. Okay. So how you can download the text editor? First of all, you open your Google Chrome. When you open your Google Chrome, search here Google, and I suggest you to use the Visual Studio Code because in the Visual Studio Code you write your Python or all that codes. Okay, but in the Sublime, in the Atom, you do not write your Python code. So I prefer to download Visual Studio Code. But if you don't know how to download it, don't worry about it. I am here to help you. So let me tell you how to download it. First of all, search here Visual Studio Code, download. So the first link has been came like download Visual Studio Code Mac, Linux, Windows. So it is depend on you. If you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. If you are on Windows, download on Windows. I am on Windows, so I have already downloaded. So I did not download it another time. So let me cross it. Now, when I cross that all the things, so first of all, you open your Visual Studio Code. What you will be open? You open your Visual Studio Code like this. Now I am creating one window. Now, I first of all create a one file, new file, and then I create a one file by the name of chatbot. Sorry, not a file. First of all, I create a one folder, and where you are making your folder, I am making my folder in my desktop, new and folder. So here I create a one folder, and my folder name is chatbot. Now I create a one folder by the name of chatbot. So let me open this folder. Let me drag and drop this folder in my Visual Studio Code. Now it has been opened. So in folder, first of all, I make one file by the name of index.py, or you can make your file different type of name. I am giving this type of file name. So my file has been made it in my folder index.py. Now I am creating one more file by the name of style.css, not styles.css, style.css. Erase it, and then erase it. Now, I am making one more file by the name of index.html. It helped me to insert a content, and then I make a file. I make three files: style.css, index.html, and and index.py. So open your folder. In the folder here, your file has been made it. First of all, make up one folder by the name of static and in that static folder you will be paste your you will be drag and drop your CSS file and make your one more file templates by the name of templates and drag and drop your entire HTML file in it. Okay, then cross it, then open your file from here. Okay, so all the file has been built it. So in the index HTML, this type of one Django or logo has been came, so it is not a problem. Okay, the logo has been came, so it has been came. It is not very big problem. So perfect. Now when we do this, so first of all we download our all the things like Flask and that is SpaCy, okay, that all things. And like you know, we are setting our environment, so let's download it. Open your command prompt, okay, search here pip install and then NLTK, then enter press, then it has been start to download it. I have already downloaded it, so it give me a requirement already satisfied. So then erase it, then download pip install Flask, then download the Flask. Okay, then these two things will be downloaded, then you will be erase it. Okay, and if you don't download the pip, if you do not have downloaded a pip, so you only want to write pip install pip, then the pip will be installed. Okay, so like that. Now erase it. Now I have already told you that how to set up environment, so let's write our code. So let's try to write a code. First of all, we are starting our code from index.html because using index.html we insert our contents of elements. So let's insert it. First of all, let me open my index.html file. So let me write in that file. Let me write code. So what I am doing it, I am first of all I am out move. Okay, so what can I do that this your file index.html in the templates folder, move out in the templates folder means this index.html file will not be in templates folder. First of all, move out in the templates folder in okay, then write your code. Now start writing your code now of HTML. First of all, you write doc.html. In the end, when we write our all HTML code, in the end we will be drag and drop our index.html file in our templates folder in the end. Okay, when we write our all HTML code. Now I write meta here, sorry, HTML lang en. This is we are writing this is the starting code of our HTML. Now we define head. In the head section we define meta and we link our CSS file. Okay, that all thing. Meta charge it UTF/8, then meta again. In it we define name, viewport, and then what you want to do it, you write here content. In the content you only write here content. In the content you write width equals to device and then slash, then width comma initial, then slash scale equals to 1.0. Then when you write that all the codes, okay, of the starting code, so what want to do it, enter press simply from here and then write title means your page title, and my page title is chatbot because we are making a chatbot, so that's why I'm giving that page title will be chatbot. Okay, then we write here link means we link our HTML file to CSS href, and our CSS file is in our static folder. So first of all we write our folder name and then our CSS file name. Perfect. Now in the body element we insert some things, okay, very little bit things. Div class, chat container, h1 chat with bot. I am writing this. Okay, you will be write anything in it. Div, and which a class I am giving it, you will be also be give it. Okay, do not give the different class. Chat box, and then ID I am giving the chat box again. Now I am pressing enter, then I am giving input type I am giving text, ID user / input, then placeholder I am giving type your message. Okay, this is one my placeholder name is type your message. Now I am define a button. Now my button is on click button should be send message. this is my button name, and then I'm writing send. Now when I show my code of HTML, so this type of an output will become, here you can see it, chat with bot, and our placeholder will be built. So we write our little bit JavaScript code, okay, script element, then we write our JavaScript code. So let's start to write our JavaScript code and a little bit JavaScript code. ASMY function send message, and then like this. Then we write fetch, and then https://example.com/API, then /endpoint. Like this, when we write this one URL, so what want to do it, you write only here dot, then response equals to like this, and then enter. If, and then star, okay, then star responsive dot okay. Okay, when you write it, so you only want to do it, enter press. So but it is giving me the error, so let me see which type of error it is giving me. So if I will see this type of an error in the end of this video. Okay, no, do not write this. So now it's not giving me the error now. So here we define throw new error. In it we write http, and then we write error, and then this type of sign. Then we write status, then this type of one, then we write this type of one sign, and then we write $sign, then we write here curly brackets, and in the curly brackets we write response dot status. Perfect. Then when we write it, we write here semicolon, then enter press. Then here we write return response dot JSON, like this. Now perfect. Now dot then data we write here, data, then equals to, then greater than sign, then console.log, here we write data. Perfect. Then when we wrote in down this all the thing, we write dot catch error equals to greater than sign, console.error, then we write here rounded brackets, then parentheses you will be also call it, okay, and now you write here fetch error, and then semicolon, then write here again comma, then error, then this, enter press, give the space from here, write here const user input equals to document.getElementById, and then in it what you want to do it, you only write here user input. Now when you write it, so you only want to do it, you write a dot value like this, then const response, and then equals to await fetch await, okay, not wait, await, and then fetch slash chat comma, and then space it, and then curly bracket, and then you write your method post, and then comma, and then you will press enter, then you write here headers, should be in that you write content slash type, then write this, and then in the single comma write application slash JSON, okay, then comma again, and then enter press, and then you only want to do it, you write body JSON dot stringify, then you write here rounded bracket, then curly bracket, and then not curly bracket, okay, curly bracket, now message user input, and when you write it, give the space from here, and then enter press. Not enter, but first of all write this and then enter. Then const data equals to await response.json and like this and then this. Then const chatbox equals to document.getElement by id and then write here chatbox. Then again chatbox, write here chatbox dot inner HTML plus equals to, then write here in the p, first of all write here p, write here the strong element, you write u, then close it and then write here dollar sign, then user in the curly brackets user input. Then when you write it down it, so you only want to do it, you enter press, then chatbox dot inner HTML then plus equals to, then write here p, then strong, in it you write here bot and then strong, and then you only want to do it, write here the dollar sign, and when you write here dollar sign you only want to do it, write here data dot response and write this, not give you the error, and write this. Now right here now document dot get element by id user slash input, then write here dot value equals to double commas and like this. Perfect. Now when we write our all the codes, so now we shift on our HTML Python codes. Okay, we write our all the HTML codes and JavaScript code also, both of them we had written. So now we are shifting on our HTML code, so sorry Python code, I am saying HTML. Okay, so let's shift our Python code, so let's shift on it. So when we write our all the HTML code, so we only want to do it, drag and drop our HTML file in our templates folder, move. So now it will look like this. Now here you can see it. Now when we write our all the code of our HTML, so now we shift on our CSS. Now we are let's start to write our CSS. First of all let's style it. First of all let me show you who till here we have built it. Okay, sorry, save it and then let me open it where it is. Document chatbot templates here till here, but let me show you let me style it using the CSS. So let's style it. To style it, first of all we write our body. In the body we define font family and we are using the font family. Our font family is Poppins, comma sans serif. Background color I'm using hashtag F4. Save it and then run it. But I'm thinking the F4 is not good, black is good. Okay, then margin I'm giving to the 0, padding I'm giving to also be 0, save it. Static style.css, static.style.css. Okay, now save it. Now when we do this, you only want to do it, write .chat / container. In it we write max width 600 pixels, margin should be 50 pixels, auto, padding 20 pixels, and then background I am giving hashtag FFF, save it and run. Why it is not applying it? Okay, I understand why it is not applying it, so let me see. Static, my folder name is static, then file name is style.css. So why it is not applying it? Let me see. No, perfect it is. When we write our Python code, then it will be should be better. Okay, so but anyways, box shadow 0 7 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA 0, right here also be 0, 0, but in the alpha right here 0.3. Border radius will be 8 pixels. In the H1 the text will be in center, and the color of the text is 111. Okay, means black. Then dot chat slash box, the height will be 300 pixels. Overflow Y will be auto. Border 1 pixel solid hashtag DDD. Perfect. Then when we do this all the things, we write here border radius, and the border radius will be 4 pixels. Then padding, I'm adding some 10 pixels, and margin bottoms will be 10 pixels, and the background color of it is will be hashtag F9, F9, F9. Now dot chat box P, margin of it will be 5 pixels and 0. Now we write input. In the input we get width calic 100%, 100% minus 80 pixels. Now padding of it will be 10 pixels, border 1 pixel, solid hashtag DDD. Okay, I am giving the border will be 1 pixel hashtag DDD, and border DDD. We will be make a changes in our CSS file when we write our all the Python codes. Okay, then we do the changes in our CSS file. Okay, means the color, we change the color, we add some transition on it like this. Width 70 pixels, and then padding 10 pixels. And then what we want to do it, we write background will be hashtag 007BFFF. This is the color of the button F, and then we add a border radius should be 4 pixels, and the border should be none. I am giving a nothing order, I am giving it. Okay, cursors will be in the pointer, and then we add some little bit Hawaii to our button, like background colors will be hashtag 0056B3. So let's try to write over all the Python code. So because we have written over all the CSS code, so let's start to write over all the Python code. Okay, so let's start to write it. So let's start. First of all, what we can do it, we write from Flask, and I have already told you that all the setup environment, I have already told you how to install a Flask and all the things. So I hope I do not told you one more time. Render template comma request comma JSONify. Then when we do it, we write import NLTK, then from we give a space and we write NLTK dot tokenize, import world tokenize, then from NLTK dot corpus import stop words, and then from we write from NLTK dot stamp import, we write import word net alimatizer. Okay, like this. Now when we do this, so we only want to do it, we write now we initialize our Flask app. What? Initialize Flask app. Now here we write app equals to Flask, and Flask apps will be in capital. Then write name. Now what we want to do it, we now download our NLTK resources, download NLTK resources now, and we are defining a comment. Okay, also NLTK dot download. In it we write PUNNKT, and then NLTK dot download. In it we write our stop words, and then NLTK dot download wordnet, and we write it in a single comma. Then we define pre-processing function, def pre-process then in it we write and then we define like underscore the text, then text, and then we write this, then tokens equals to word dot, then word slash tokenize, then we write here text dot lower, and like this. Now what want to do it, we write here lemetizer equals to word net elementizer, okay, then we write here curly brackets, not sorry parentheses, we define a parentheses. Now stop words, in stop words we write equals to, then set, then in it we write stop words point, then words, then single comma, then English. Then here we define processed equals to, then we define square brackets lemetizer, and then dot lemetize, then here we write word for word in tokens if word not in stop words, okay, we write this type of one thing, and when we write it, we write here return pre-processed. Now when we write it down it like pre-processed, or you write here processed, okay, I'm writing processed. Now here what we can do it now, here we only want to do it, first of all let me do it like this. Now here we define like when we do this all the thing, now here we intent our recognition function, intent recognition function def get, then in it we write intent, by the mistake I am writing parentheses, okay, intent, and then processed, then text, and then like this, then if order id should be processed, and then process will be text, and then we give the space in it, and we write here if order in, okay, then we write here return, and then the return we write order intent, and like this. Then we define here elif, in elif we write help, we write here in process text, then we do the same thing, we write return, then what want to do it, we write here help intent, and it's giving the error because we do not write this. Now what want to do it, now we define elif again, in the elif we write by, in process text, then return, then in the return we write by intent, then we define else, in the else we write return unknown intent. Perfect. Now here what we want to do it, now here we define, here we response our generation function, okay, response our generation function. So def chatbot equals to response shall be user input, then in it we write process text, and then processed text equals to process text, in it double in the parentheses we write user input, then intent, and then intent we write equals to get intent, then in the double commas we write processed, and then in the process we write here text. process text, and then we want to do it, we enter press if intent, we write here equals to, we write here order intent, and then we want to do it, we write like this, and then we write here return, then we write here sure, what would you like to order, and then we write here elif intent equals to wait intent, and in it we write here return I am here to assist you, then comma what do you need help with, then question mark, and then when we do this we only want to do it enter press, then here we are writing like when we do this all the things, so erase it. Now when we do this, so now here we define our roots. What here we define? Here we define our roots. How? Let me tell you. Roots. Now @app.root, in it we write in the single comma slash, and then def home, and then like this, and then return, and then render template, and then right here in the single comma index.html, and then right here @app.root, then right here /chat comma, okay, then right here methods equals to post, then you only want to do it right def chat, then right here user input, and then equals to request.json.get message, and then enter press, then response equal to chatbot.response will be user input. Then we write here return JSONify, then here we define like response, then response, and now perfect. Now here we run our Flask app, okay, run Flask app, like if double comma name, then here we define like main. Now we only want to do it app.run, then here we write debug /true, then we space it, now perfect. Now we write our all the code. So now let's see the output, what type of output will we give me. So let's see the output. So let's see which type of output will give me. Save it, and then I'm saving from here, save it, and then save all the 3 files which I have built it. Now let me run our index.python file. So now it take a little bit time, okay, because it is running our file, so it take a little bit time, and then here you can see it take a little bit time, then it will be run. Then we open our file, then let's see. So here it give me run. Now we click on this server using control, and when we click it, so then here you can see that our chatbot has been built. So write here your message, right? I'm writing my message, hi, I want to order coffee. So let's see which type it will give me. So now send. So now it will give me sure, what will like to order. So now I am giving me hello, I'm not writing, can you help me with my account. So it give me I am here to assist you, what do you need help with. So I am saying bye. So now it's saying me bye, goodbye, have a great day. So you do not ask him like hello, I am Ryan. So it not give me the stuff, it give me only I sorry, I didn't understand, can you refresh, because it is not understanding it, because we do not add data. If you want to build professional chatbot, so you only want to add a data in it. your Python file, then you ask any question, so then it give you the output. If you want to add a data in it, okay. So how to add a data? You only want to do it. You write here the change the data. You only want to do it. You write. So let me show you what you want to do it. You write here. Hi, Ryan. What can I help you? So then save it from here. Then close your browser. Then run it again. So let's see that now how it give me the output. So it is running it. Let me open it. So it give me, hi, I want to order coffee. So it give me, hi Ryan, what can I help you? Here you can see it like that. Or here you can see why it is give me, hi Ryan, what can I help you? Because in my data I write, hi Ryan, and what can I help you? Or if I write here, Ryan, hi, I know you. You are great, ma'am. So like that. Now save it and then let me open my terminal, run code. Let me open my file one more time. Where is here? Now if I say hi, so sorry, hi, I want to order coffee. I want to write it. I want to order coffee. Tell me, hi Ryan, what can I help you? So then I say, in my account there is some issue. So now then it's say me, I'm sorry, I didn't understand, because this is in my this not in my data. Okay, if I write there is problem in my account, so now it's say me, I don't understand. Okay, so let me see. I want to order coffee. So it's say me, hi Ryan, what can I help you? Here you can see it. Like that you can do it. Or you on then you will also add a data to in it. Okay, if you want to add it. Okay, if you want to add a data, so you will be also be added. It is your own choice. Okay. Or if I write here order. So it give me sure what would you like to order. Here you can see it like that. Or if I write help. Sorry, help. So it give me a help. I'm here to assist you. What do you need help with? So if when you change it from here, like when you write here order, changes hi Ryan. Hi Ryan. Or if I write okay. I know. I knew that. Or if I write bye. Okay. Now let's come down, and when I write here the okay, hi Ryan. Yeah. How are you? Then erase it. Then I am writing you are great. Then I am giving now save it, and then now when I open it, now I am writing it hi Ryan. Hi Ryan. Now let's see which type of output give me. So it is giving me, I'm sorry because we do not run it, so let's run it another time. Let me open it, where it is. Okay, and very here. Okay, now let me open it. So let me write in hi Ryan. So it give me, okay, why it is giving me like this, hi Ryan. I write hi Ryan. So yeah, how are you? Let me see. Hi Ryan. Perfect. Perfect. Then if I write here okay, Sorry, PK, I'm writing by the mistake. Okay. I want to order coffee. So now it is not giving me anything. Okay. Okay, because I did not write any type of thing, so let me do this. Save it and then let me run it now. Let me open now. Let me open it because the server is not running, so that's why it's not giving me. But if I write here, hi, I want to order coffee, should give me, sure, what you would like to order. So you can see it like you and then what. So like that you can, when you add some more database, so then it give you all the answer of your questions if you want, when you add a data in it. Okay, and if I write here, so there is problem in my account. So it give me, I'm sorry, I didn't understand that you press. So if I write bye, so it give me goodbye. If I write help, so it give me I'm here to assist you, what do you need help with. So like that, here you can see, like that you can make your own chatbot. Right here you can see it. Or you will, if you want to style it using CSS, you will be also style it like buttons will be red and the buttons will be black. Then save it and then run it. So here you can see it, the button has been came. But when you add a transition to it, so you will be also be added a transition. Like transition will be 0.3 seconds. Save it and then run it. So here you can see it, the transition it is also be appearing. So if you give the width will be 50 pixels, save it and then run it. So you can see that it is coming here. So if give the 90 pixels to the width, save it and then run it, so it is looking like this. But my opinion is width should be 150 pixels, not 150, 100 is perfect. Okay, and padding should be 20. Save it and then run it. Not 20, padding should be 15. Okay, the padding is also be perfect now. So give the width input, okay, calic, and border 1 pixel solid should be black. Save it and then run it. Okay, so now border should be, no, it is good. Then you only want to do it, give the background color should be black. Save it and then run it. So now when you write hi, I want to order coffee, so my text is not saying, so I'm giving color should be white. Save it and then run it. Help. So now my text has been showing. So now when we do this, so you only want to do it, give the gap to in it. But perfect is now when we do this, we only want to do it, give him to the white. Now let's come up here and give the black, color should be black. Save it and then run it. So now it has been looking like this. Then the background should be, it should be red. Save it and then run it. So it is looking like this, but I'm thinking it should be in white. Now it is perfect. Okay, so like that you will also be style it. Okay, so like it is looking like this. So here you can see it. In today's video we built our very beautiful chatbot, our own chatbot. So I hope you enjoy this video, and in today's video we built a chatbot, and if you style it, so you will also be styled, or if you want to change the font to it, so it will also be changed like Poppins, sans serif. Save it and then run it. So the font has been also be changed it. So like that you will be also be do it. So here you can see it. In today's video we show how to build a chatbot, okay, using many type of languages, natural languages, Django, Flask, Python, NLTK, SpaCy, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We use many languages to build a chatbot and our own chatbot, and in this languages the never built this type of chatbot in these languages. Okay, but I have built it for you. So I hope you enjoy this class, and if you write here help, so then it give you the answer. If you write bye, so it give you the answer. So here you can see it, or when you write many data, so it give you all the answers of your question if you add a many data. Okay, or if you small is width, like if you the width should be like, if you give the width should be 50 pixels, so it look like this. Okay, but if you give the width should be 80 pixels, the width it look like this. Now let me show you. Save it and then run it. Here you can see it. Or you also do the padding should be 10 pixels. Save it and then run it. So here you can see it. Your button has become here. So like that you can build a chatbot, okay, so very easily as. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like, share and subscribe. And in these languages, never build chatbot, okay, in these languages which I have built it for you. But I hope you enjoy this video. So like, share and subscribe. And if you want this type of more AI projects in this channel, so tell me in the comment section below. But anyways, I meet you in next class and next very amazing class of this type of projects. So but anyways, now now the introduction of it, the ending of this video I given the big screen, means in the outro of this video I given the big screen. So let's come on our big screen and let's give the output of this video. Sorry, outro of this video, I'm saying the output. So outro of this video. So here you have it, your own chatbot ready to chat, crack jokes and maybe even become your new best friend if you let it, of course. We use Python NLTK and SpaCy and Flask or Django to create something that's more than just code. It's personality in action. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our chance to level up your coding skills with a little bit of fun along the way. And hey, if your chatbot starts getting too chatty or gives you a sass, just remember it's all part of process. If you got questions, drop them in the comments below and I will do my best to help out. Thanks for watching and as always, keep coding, stay awesome, and I see you in the next one. Happy bot building. So for today, goodbye.